The original Toyota Land Cruiser first entered the US market in 1958 and was the brand's best-selling model in the US from 1961 to 1965. The Land Cruiser has become an off-road icon and spawned countless generations. So it was a sad day when Toyota killed off the US version after the 2021 model year. Now, 3 years later, all the brows raised may be turned upside down as a new version of the legendary nameplate returns to our shores. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser comes with the TNGA-F body platform, besides a standard hybrid drivetrain and retro-inspired design. The new Land Cruiser is quite different from the previous US version. Compared to the predecessor, the new LC is 1.2 inches shorter and 193.7 inches long, but both have the same 111.2-inch wheelbase. Both versions are 78 inches wide, but the new one is just over an inch shorter at 73.2 inches high. The 2021 Land Cruiser is powered by a 5.7-liter V8 with 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque and has been replaced by a hybrid turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder. The drivetrain's total output is 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet. Both Toyota SUVs have standard all-wheel drive with an 8-speed automatic transmission and central locking differential. The interior of the new Land Cruiser is not as luxurious as its predecessor, as evidenced by the manually adjusted standard fabric seats of 1958 upholstery. Available on higher Land Cruiser equipment as part of the premium package, which also includes electrically adjustable leather-trimmed seats, head-up display, digital rear-view mirror with camera view, and sunroof. Despite its less luxurious materials, the interior and technology of the new Land Cruiser is more modern. Sure, the base 1958 model has an 8.0-inch touchscreen, which is smaller than the 9.0-inch unit offered before, but it still benefits from Toyota's latest software, which includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Also, the rest of the 2024 Land Cruiser lineup takes the infotainment experience a step further by offering a massive 1.3-inch touchscreen and 14-speaker JBL stereo.